Disconnected, we're going to come right over here to this. You can see there's a little green tab. On the other side, there's a little tab. You push that, and you can draw this right off. At this point, we're going to move along to loosening this clamp, and then this one right here, using an 8mm or a flathead. Take a peek in here, make sure you don't have any crud. Looks good. So now we have a clear view of the coils. You can just go down the line and start disconnecting them by squeezing this little tab and then drawing this up. Now I'm going to use a 7mm swivel. I'm going to take out the mounting bolt. It's hard to get it on there and stay. That bolt out of there. Grab your coil, lift straight up. Make sure it comes with all the boot. Now that we have that out, just take a peek at the boot. Make sure it isn't torn and missing a piece and it's down inside there. If it looks good, you can continue. Grab that coil. Right on here. That fits beautifully. I'm just going to snug this up. These coils, you want them to be nice and tight so that they can't spin around. If it moves a little bit like this, that's okay. I'm just going to give it just a teeny bit more, but that's it. Last thing I want to do is break this bolt off. I'm going to go ahead and get this attached. Make sure that it's locked in. That feels good. Now I'm going to do the same to all 8 cylinders. Let's get this air intake back on. Tighten up those clamps. Nice. So now it's going to be time to try starting the vehicle. When we do that, we want to pay special attention to up here and make sure nothing funny happens. If you see any check engine light, which would be located right up here, we know we're going to turn it right off and check to see what's going on. It's going to run a little rough at first, and then it'll smoothen out. I'm looking up here. I see nothing, an exception of just it telling me that I'm not buckled up.